Ang solusyon sa problema, kapatid, kasing lapit lang ng tuhod at ng sahig. Luluhod ka lang. Luhod ka lang pagka hirap ka na. Luhod ka, tumawag ka, may Diyos. I believe. Kung yung iba hindi naniniwala, but I believe that someone in the great somewhere hears everywhere. Even in the darkest night, even in the worst situation, merong makikinig sa panalangin ng isang tao kung naniniwala ka sa Diyos. What we need is just to believe that there is somebody up there and to trust Him with all our hearts. Gaya ng sabi ni San Pedro sa 5:7 ng unang Pedro, sa English, pakibasa mo si sis.
Casting all your care upon Him, for He careth for you.
Ilagak nyo sa Kanya ang lahat ng inyong kabalisahan sapagkat kayo ipinagmamalasakit niya, for He cares for you. Like a father that cares for his children, the Father in heaven cares for those who believe in Him. Yun ang pinakamalaking solusyon sa problema. At siguro, matanda na ako para ninyo ako paniwalaan. I have gone so far. At kaya masasabi ko na meron na akong karanasan. I believe that there is God. Gusto kong i-share sa inyo. It is better to believe in God than to deny His existence. Why? Because if there is no one to help you, meron ka pang mapupuntahan. Pag wala kang kinikilalang Diyos, hanggang tao ka lang. Pag wala ng taong makatulong sa'yo, wala ka nang madadaingan. It is very consoling to know that there is somebody up there who listens to the prayers of the poor, the neglected in society, at yung nasa mga kagipitan sa buhay. Yun ang paraan para malimutan ng problema, to pray. Because God will help you. He will solve your problems.